Do you want to build a landing page in less than 5 minutes? Well, that is possible with this tool. It's called Fast Pages, and it's gonna help you build the page really quickly. Now, let's get started with this video to show you what I'm talking about. What's up everyone, my name is George, and the deal that I'm talking about is called Fast Pages. Now, right now, there's a limited time deal going on, so you might not want to miss out on it. And if you guys want to head on over to the deal, the link will be provided in the description. Now, once you have an account, you're gonna go into the main dashboard, which is this one right here. And like I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how to build a landing page really quickly. So in this case, we are gonna go into projects. Here we go. We're gonna create a new project, and from this project, we are going to select a template. Templates help us build pages really quickly. We can go ahead and preview these templates. For example, you can check this one out. You know what? This looks fine. I like it. Or you can check out other templates that you might like. They call them blueprints. But I don't know. Let's go ahead and use this one. I'm gonna create it. I'm gonna call it site for video. That's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna confirm. And there we go. Now we have the landing page builder. So in this case, I can click in any one of these elements and start modifying it. So for example, I can say for video, whoops, change the font to it. Let me go like this. For video, remove that. Add my own logo to this, upload it. I can change it. I can grab from one of the elements I already have. I can use stock photos if I want. It's gonna search them from Unsplash. If I want to select one of those, in this case, I'm not. I'll keep it as it is. We have this element to change the background and all the information. For example, full width, some padding, modify the padding, the cover color, and all of that. If I select a different element, I can go ahead and edit this. I can move it around if I like. So for example, I can move it somewhere else. I'm not going to do it because it looks nice the way it is. There's the option to create another section of these right here. So from the templates that they've pre-built, they also have the sections for each one of these. So let's just say that you like a section from a certain template, but you like the rest of the template from another one. Well, we could just grab these sections: covers, headers, footers, features, pricings, galleries, and it's super easy. Okay, there's also the save sections. So if you edited a section and you want to save it, that is possible. We can go ahead and change the distribution of the row columns for this one. If I want to change the sections or add a new row, that is possible in case we want to add more elements. In this section, we have 2 sections, right, inside of the column. Now, we can go ahead and save this. Check out the pages if we want to add more pages to this. In this case, we are working on a landing page. We have the sections. If I hover over these, see how it goes to the sections, and I can edit each one of these or get rid of them if I like. There's also the SEO optimization information, for example, page title, the keywords to rank on search engines, description for this, the fav icon, which is on the top of the little tabs, the OG image. There's the menu if we want to change how the menu looks. There's the pop-up menu if we want to add some pop-ups to this to capture some emails, which is a pretty good idea. The appearance, if you want to change the main appearance, for example, the fonts for the whole theme and not individuals, that is possible doing it here. If you want to add the Facebook pixel, TikTok pixel, if you want to add some code injection into this. So let's just say that you want to add some ads. If you want to add another form builder inside of here, well, you have that option available to add code. And you can also add, for example, a chat widget, etc. with this code builder. We can also add different type of sections if we like. But all of this is possible super easily. Now, let's just say that, you know what, I finished editing this. I've added my own images, my own information, my links, etc. and I'm good to go. Well, let's go ahead and publish this baby. Okay. Publish the project. There we go. We got the link for this one. And this is the main link for it. Let's just go to it really quickly. This is incognito mode. I'm going to go check out this site. This site is now live, but it's using a little wacky domain from the one they provide. We want to add something customized, right? So let's just say I purchased a domain from, I don't know, Namecheap, Cloudflare, or whatever you want to buy it, but I didn't pay for hosting because I'm using the hosting here on Fast Pages. So all I have to do is connect my domain. So I'll say something like, I don't know, fast.com. That's one of the domains I already have. So I'll click next. Enter a subdomain for your domain. So I'll say, whoops, obviously I'll go back. I'll remove this because that's the subdomain. So there we go. It's going to be subdomain fast. And now it's telling me to add this record, okay? So I'm going to create fast. In this case, I use Cloudflare for my DNS. So I'm gonna add a CNAME record. If you're using Namecheap, they have their own DNS. If you're using other hostings, they have their own DNS, okay? So in this case, fast is the subdomain. You can view it, confirm it there. Let's remove this for now. Let's go ahead and save this. And now my domain is tied to my own domain, right? So let's go check it out if it's working already, okay? So let me go into incognito mode. It's fast.com. There we go. How about that, right? So let's go ahead and grab this and do some testing, right? Let's check out Gmetrics. All right, and heads up, our site is now live. It's with our own domain, just like that. I mean, it took less than 5 minutes to actually do it. Okay, we should be getting the results in a bit, but let's see if this site is actually well built, all right? There we go. We got an A on GTmetrix. Performance is 98, structure is 97, and it took 2 seconds to load. It could be a little bit faster. I mean, they could work on that aspects. Maybe they need some optimization or some CDN to cover the speed of this site. But again, 2 seconds, 1, 2, and it's loaded, all right? Let's go ahead and test it. Let's go into incognito mode, and there we go. That's actually fast. I mean, it's almost instant, all right? But there you go. That way, I've connected it, and it's done. But there you go, just like that. We built the landing page, we did a little bit of customization, and we connected our domain to it to make it go live. So tell me that wasn't fast and easy. If you guys want to grab the deal that's going on right now, I will be leaving the link in the description. So I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next videos.